An aeroplane moves 400 meter towards north, 300 meter towards west, and then 1200 meter vertically upwards. Then the displacement from its initial position is okay. So this is a tricky question. So what I'll do is I'll try to make it as simple as possible by drawing a reference axis. Say okay. So let us say this is the plane in which the first two motions take place, which means, see, this is the point where the origin started. So the plane moves 400 meters towards north and then 300 meters towards the west. And now see what happens is the aeroplane is now moving vertically upwards. It is not in the north direction, it is in the vertically upward direction to the upper layers of atmosphere. So basically what happens is, this is how the aeroplane is moving now, right? So if you actually want to understand this properly, say you have a textbook in front of you and you are writing using a pen. That motion is in a plane, but the moment you take the pen, say for example you keep the pen perpendicular at this junction, right? If you keep it upright, that is how the plane is moving now. It is moving upright direction. So it is actually making a vertical angle with this displacement here, initial displacement. So if we just mark the major points, so this is origin, this is OA the first direction, OB the second direction, and BC is the vertical movement, which means BC will be making 90 degree with what measurement? It will be making 90 degree with the OB. In which case OC will be our required displacement, right? Now, what is the measurement of OB? See, OB will be equal to root of 300 square plus 400 square, right? Now, how much is BC? BC is given as 1200 meter gone upwards, right? So OB, we just find it out. OB is root of, okay, let me just write it down. So OB is root of 300 square plus 400 square. Now what would be OC in this case? OC, this vector OC will be equal to root of BC square plus OB square, right? Which basically will be equal to, OC will be equal to root of, what is BC? BC from the figure is 1200 square. What is OB? OB is root of 300 square plus 400 square. So we'll get the final answer as root of, say if you just add these three, okay, let me just write it down. So this will be equal to 1200 square plus, we know, okay, this is 900 plus 1600, which will be equal to 14400 plus root of 1600 plus 100 is basically 2500, right? So this will be 14400 plus 2500, and what do we get? 00. 5 plus 4, 9, 6, 1, 6. So this we'll get as a root of 16900, which is basically 1300 meters. So the correct option here would be 1300 meter.